O tout gros talé. Youret-il largely determine bi your genetique en environ. Al tout sevra le factor ta determine youret. Are out of your control, te rara fatigne sucha youret state sam. Before ta window close, ove. You can use the following techniques en exercice to reach your full potential. Steps. Understand that most of your will be determined by genetic of your family. Et a polygenic trait, manigne. Tai influenced by several different. Avigne two short parents de et un necessarily you'll be short, juste. A total parents on make you a touring giant. Ove, if most of the people on both sides of your family are short, odd art you'll be short, to. Don't be discouraged, tug. Te truitita you can't know what you'll. But until you're a full physical adulthood in your mid-twenties. Calculate your projected debt. Working in a short centimeter, you can try to predict your rate based on the debt of your parents. Add du pure moment d'adet, in a short cm. Add de 5 inches, 13 cm, if you're a boy, subtract 5 inches, 13 cm, if you're a girl. Divide by 2. Tant soit your predicted debt, give or take 4 inches, 10 cm. Note that is en absolute calculation, but it should be pretty close, 1. Avoir growth stunting factor. There might no allow you can do to increase your rate, but you can take several steps. To make sure your natural rate is a shortened by environmental influence. Drug alcohol are but to contribute to stunted growth if they are ingested while you're young. En malnutrition can keep you from reaching your full. Et, avel. De caffeine realiste un your growth. Scientific study show ta caffeine de nost un growth, de, caffeine de. Ove, availler chance of keeping you from sleeping soundly en regularly. Qui dans adolescent need abu around 9. Un 2 jours of sleep, en caffeine ma your ability to jet ta mush sleep. De smoking realiste un your growth. The effect of smoking en second en smoke on body mass index, BMI, are. Inconclusive, ove, according to Columbia University Internet Health Resource, ta available research suggest ta children WHO smoke, or WHO are exposed to second en smoke are shorted tantos WHO dono smoke or are children of non-smoker, 3. Does steroid realist un your growth? Absolutely. Anabolic steroids inhibit bone growth in young children antenne, allons. With lowering sperm Q1, decline breast size, elevating blood pressure en putting you high risk of fear. Attaque, 4, children antenne WHO suffer from asthma en usine alerta dispense small dose of the steroid budesonide. Are, on average, alpha inch shorté tantos not treated with steroid, 5. Jet plenty of sleep. Research suggest ta growing a teenager en protein eat between 8.5 and 11 hours of sleep every night. Because your body grow en regenerate tissue will your rest. Make your sleeping environ ma calme. A possible, entry to eliminate l'unoise en une necessary light. If you have trouble falling asleep, try taking a warm bath or drinking a hot cup of chamomile before bed. Human growth hormone, HGH, produced naturally in your body, especially during deep or slow sleep. Jetting. Good, sound sleep will encourage the production of HGH, which is secreted in the pituitary gland. A hormone, HGH is sometimes injected into the bloodstream under supervision of a licensed doctor. HGH cream, powder. Pilor non prescription injection are medically suspect en can have serious side effect, 6, talk with your doctor. Before starting an course of HGH treatment. Ya tried. Ensuring ta your getting alt vitamin en mineral your body require will help you grow to your full. Et. Take a supplement targeted a your age group with breakfast and morning, entry to incorporate certain food. Into your die. There are some specific suggestions. Make sur tout takin en abundance of carbohydrates en calories fortes your body gain en ergi to grow. Get plenty of calcium, food in dairy product en green végétable. Calcium promote bonne grotte, en camp et le prevent. Ostéoporosis. Taking 500 mg of niacin achon to significantly increase the growth hormone level only when taken on antistoma. 7. Jet suffise vitamin D, which can be obtained through getting fish, alfalfa, or mushroom, or spending on nutty mint. Sun. Vitamin D promote bonne en muscle growth in children. 8. En a déficiency a been shown to stain growth en cause. Vet gain int nage girl. If you don't like fish, consider à purifier fish oil supplement, purifying remove mercury. Taking low of protein, from meat, egg, tofu or légumes. Protein provide en essential building block your body need. In order to grow. Aliston, preferably two, of your meal should include high quality protein. Pure zinc intact, oyster, chocolat, panu, egg, pea, asparagus en supplément. A zinc deficiency qu'en cause. Stunted growth in children. 9. The best way to make sure you may your body day need be taking a vitamin or. Supplément à inclus de zinc. Yat on a regular schedule. You should be eating 3 meals a day, with small snack between breakfast and lunch, en lunch. En dîner. 3 to schedule events a ruglit something a day. Keep your immune system strong. Some shield illness constant your growth. Most of them can be avoided beat routine. Immunisation you may have had a baby, booster on the safe seed by ingesting plenty of vitamin C, found in citrus. Fruits sucha orange, grape fruits en lemon, en getting plenty of rest as soon as you notice that you feel sick. Keep your immune system strong by eating all, fresh food. Try to avoid processed food, food with anti-calorie or high level of fat, en hydrogenated food, such as margarine or shortening. Yet a wide variety of healthy food. Yating nothing such as high accent aigu berry or salmon for every meal, will no harmful. 2 and do alta much to keep your immune system high strongest. Yet a variety of fruits, plenty végétables, all. Grains, protéines source such as milk, cheese, nut en fish, en haute food rich in antioxydants en oméga-3 fatty acids. For a healthy immune system. Exercise your body. Sadly, if your growth plate have closed due to your age, exercising will no affect your growth. Rat, 10, but if you enjoy swimming, biking, running, or yoga, among haute sport, and you have stopped growing. Exercise combiné with the right diet en propose le should help you grow. Don't stretch some beneficial effect. There are ton of growth les exercices on internet, which claim to help you grow. A mentionné above, after your growth plate have closed, you will no growth les. Therefore, turno. Scientific evidence to suggest you can grow les through stretching. Stretching may improve your posture, which can exaggerate total you are, or d'emphasis osmal you are, but it can no add dinch to your frame. Practice good posture. Rolling your shoulder or hunching over can actually affect the curvature of your growing spine. En in a good way. Keep your shoulder back, shine, en hip over your face. Walk with purpose instead of slouching or slinking, and try to sit up straight when you're in chair. Even if you're no actually getting tall, good posture will make you look tall. Treat Alexandre technique for better posture. USB trainer Saint-Géant actor, Alexandre technique improve. Posture be employee what fun de of the technique, F. Mathia Alexandre, cal go do of the body. Class en teaching the technique are popular. Cultivate confidence. Ben tale might benis, but it can make up for a general lack of confidence. Participate in Club, apply yourself in school, en make sur tout à qu'on a hobby you are successful with. Te will all bost your mode. En a positive attitude will mortant make up for en lacking et. Visi a medical professional. If you're from a tal family and you're no growing be your mitten, or if you're et. As changed much from before puberty to during puberty, 10 years ago did to sa doctor. Condition taquant. Stin your growth, such a human growth hormone deficiency or autoimmune disease, are fairly rare, but do exist. If you're eating a healthy diet and getting plenty of rest but you're still no growing, then it's time to consult a doctor. Consider un doctor, if you're a short adult. Tout are several childhood conditions, such a ricket, ta. Quand resul a short eta en adulte, you should still ask a doctor about it. Turmab way to make sur ta your. Bon organ are healthy even to you did un gros tout.